In this course, you will learn all about Next.js. I will show you all the main concepts of Next.js. It is the React framework for the web. It is used for creating front-end web applications. So in this video, I'll give you a run through Next.js. So first, let's start by creating the next app. You can see you can create a next app using this command. I can copy this. You can go to this site and let's go to my VS Code. I have already started my VS Code, so I can click on this and it will start the terminal. Let's wait a little bit. Now I can paste the command here and I can create a file. Make sure to place a dot here, or if you don't place a dot here, it will create another folder inside our current folder, but I don't want to create another folder, so I'll create this dot. So I'll press tab and it will create the file. Let's wait a little bit. Now after some time it will take us to this question: would you like to use TypeScript? So in my case I can say yes. If you don't want to use TypeScript, you can set it to none, but now in my case I will set it to yes. And the answer is it will ask us to ESLint, and I will say yes again. Now I can also type yes because I want to install Tailwind CSS, and the other is it will ask us to use source directory. In my case I don't use source directory, so I will say no. If you want to use source directory, you can say yes and it will install source directory and it will put all the folders inside source directory. In some cases it is useful for organizing your folder, but in my case I don't want to use source directory. And the other is it will ask us to use app router. In my case I'm gonna use app router and I will say yes. And would you like to use the customize import aliases? I will say no. This is used for if you want to access the root folders, it will use @sign. If you want to use another signs, like if you change the to end, you can use yes and you can customize it, but in my case I don't want to customize it and I will say no. And it will install all the packages. You can see it will install all the node modules, and after installing I will be back. Now I have installed all the packages. You can see I have installed the node modules, and it has installed all the app directory and all the public. Let us give you a rundown of these files. You can see I have a Tailwind and readme and all other files. Most of the time we don't use most of these. Let's see what we use. We use the app directory, the public. Sometimes the public is used to store our images and we can access it directly with the /sign, and we can use app directory to create pages. Every folder will be used as a URL, and inside it we'll create a page folder to access the page of the folder. And you can see we can configure also the Tailwind CSS. So this is the basic rundown of the directories. Now let's see how to navigate between pages.